And now, your first Alert 5 weather.
You know, I'm used to filling in here doing weather in the summertime, and we always talk about how it's still sunny out, and no, Andy, it is winter now. So the sun has set here in Colorado Springs. It is cold out there. Current temperature is only 36 degrees. The winds, though, are the bigger story because they're up there around 17 miles an hour here in the Pikes Peak region. Elsewhere around the region at this time, we have some upper 30s here on the eastern plains. We're starting to fall off, whereas about an hour ago we were into the 40s. Pueblo still holding on to the 40s at this hour, and Saguache and Alamosa out there in the San Luis Valley are in the upper 20s at this hour. You factor in the winds with those temperatures, and this is what it really feels like. Lower 30s out there in the eastern plains, upper to mid 20s here in the Pikes Peak region, and maybe even single digits to around 10 degrees in Saguache. The wind is going to be the big story here over the next 24 hours. Right now we're looking at mostly clear skies over eastern Colorado, but you notice as we look out west towards the Pacific, what we have here is the jet stream that's coming in all the way from the Pacific Northwest down across the Rocky Mountains, and it's making a dip here in Colorado. So this is really what is bringing us a lot of Pacific moisture, not a lot of organized activity, but it certainly has a lot of wind with it. And what happens is when that moisture rides over top of the mountains, it wrings it out in the form of snow showers, and by the time it gets down here, well, we're not left with a lot, just a lot of wind and mostly clear skies for us here in the lower elevations. Futurecast looks like this over the next 24 hours. Snow showers for the southern mountains, but it's the central and northern mountains that we're going to keep our eyes on for snow over the next couple of days or so. You notice how by tomorrow afternoon the snow showers taper off here in Montrose and Telluride, but it's going to keep with it there in Steamboat until that trough starts to move off into the central plains by the time we get to Monday, and then we start to warm things up. But until then, a winter storm warning is in effect for the central and northern mountains. Aspen, Vail, Steamboat, you guys could be looking anywhere from 6 to 12 inches by the time all is said and done. Even higher mountains, 10 to 20 into those higher peaks. But you notice again, all the snow is just kept up into the higher elevations. We don't have anything all around from I-25 all the way out east towards Kansas. What we have left with, again, is a lot of that wind. So a high wind warning is in effect from Cheyenne and Wyoming all the way down here to the Pikes Peak region, northern El Paso County, and then we have a high wind watch in effect through tomorrow afternoon for the southern Sangres. Now, this means that the winds are going to be gusting upwards of 50 to around 60 miles an hour. High wind warning, high wind watch. We're talking about a difference of around 5 to 10 miles an hour, but it's going to be windy all across I-25. Not so much out here on the eastern plains, you notice, because this is the wind forecast wind gust graphic, and you can see where there's an area of red. This is around 40 mile an hour wind gusts. 50 up towards Rye by tomorrow morning when you wake up around 7 o'clock, and the winds are going to be with us as we get towards tomorrow afternoon around 12 o'clock. You notice this area of brown. This is 60 mile an hour wind gusts up in those higher elevations. Again, not so much here on the eastern plains, and by the time the sun starts to set tomorrow afternoon, a lot of this wind will start to die down. This system will move out of the picture, and we'll be left with a lot of warming temperatures here as we head towards the next several days. Forecast looks like this. Again, for tomorrow here in Colorado Springs, the wind gusts are going to be the big story for us, gusting upwards of around 30 to 40 miles an hour for us. It's going to be less and taper off as you head lower in elevation out towards the eastern plains, but up towards Monument, up towards the higher terrain there in Woodland Park, you guys will be talking about quite a bit of wind here over the next 24 hours or so. But by tomorrow night, everything will start to move out of here, quiet on down. And look at those temperatures for Monday in Pueblo. Afternoon high of 64 degrees, 67 on Tuesday, and then even warmer as by the time we get towards Wednesday. That's when we're going to start to kind of peak with our temperatures, and then another system starts to roll in by late next week, possibly some snow showers in the forecast. We'll update that at 9 o'clock. Andy?